Algo trading, algorithmic trading. Is it possible to trade this way without emotion? I'm champion trader Kevin Davey, and let's find out. So I've heard it said many times that one way to avoid emotion in trading is to algo trade. Is it true? Well, I've been trading for 30 years, back when algo trading was called mechanical trading or systematic trading. So over the years, I've seen a lot and I've traded a lot. And I can tell you one thing about algo trading. It is not possible to algo trade with no emotion. Now, you may not have expected that because you've probably heard a lot of people say, hey, just algo trade. Let the computer buy and sell for you. Then you'll have no emotion. Well, the people who claim that there's no emotion in algo or algorithmic trading fall into one of three categories. One, they're incredibly naive. Two, they're trying to sell you something. Or three, they just don't trade with real money. Whatever the case may be, these people are wrong, wrong, wrong. They are terribly misinformed at best, and at worst, they're lying to you. So why is there emotion in algo trading? One word: money. I'll repeat that. Why is there emotion in algo trading? Money. Without money involved, I agree, there'd be no emotion in algo trading. It's the money that creates the emotion. And if you aren't trading with real money, there is no emotion. Think of it this way. In your day-to-day job, imagine every time you do something good, you get rewarded with money. But on the flip side, when you do something bad, like you mess up a TPS report, you get money taken away from you.
We have sort of a problem here. Yeah, you apparently didn't put one of the new cover sheets on your TPS reports.
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry about that. I forgot.
And I've always wondered what that would take.
Wouldn't your job become a lot more stressful and emotional if money was involved that way? Well, sure it would. So why do people say there's no emotion in trading? Well, I've found three different categories of people. First, there's people who've never algo traded before, and they think about a computer making the decisions for them, and they think, oh, hey, that would take the emotion out of it. That would take the pressure off. The problem is they've never done it live with real money. The second group are people who just sim trade. So no matter what kind of trading they do, they never put real money on the line. So for them, there is no emotion. And the third group are the trading educators out there. A lot of them will tell you there's no emotion in algo trading. Why do they say that? Well, they know that most traders fail because of emotions. Trading's an emotional game. You make a lot of bad decisions and you usually lose money. So they've crafted their sales pitch to say, hey, you can get rid of emotion by algo trading. The fact is, though, it's a lie. These fake gurus, I call them furus, are just trying to sell you a bill of goods that does not exist. And if it fits them to tell you, hey, eliminate emotion, try algo trading, they'll tell you that to sell you their product. The bottom line is all types of trading: discretionary, chart trading, algo trading, black box, white box, gray box, doesn't matter. It all has emotion as long as there's real money involved. If you take away the money, the emotion disappears too. So, as algo traders, what can we do about this? Is there a way to maybe minimize the emotion? Well, here's 7 tips. Tip number 1, develop strategies with no discretion. That means you have 100% buy and sell rules. You never overrule them. You let the computer make the decision. And then in the heat of the moment, your emotions will not overrule. And that's a big plus. Tip number 2 is kind of related. It is you create the rules in an emotionless state. So when you're not trading, that's when you test out your rules and try your strategies. That way, you can make better decisions because you're not under the emotions of, ooh, should I do this exit? Should I do this entry? You can do it when you're calm. And that's a big advantage. The third tip is don't look at your equity during the day. So let's say you have an algo running. You can check to make sure that the algo is synced up the way it should be. If you're long, then your real account is long and things like that. But don't check your equity. That will help reduce your emotion. And the fourth tip is just look at what you can control. There's certain things you can't control with a trade. Once you're in a trade, you may make money, you may lose money, but you're not really in control. The algo's in control. So you just focus on the things that you can control. That your positions are synced up correctly, that your platform's running right, and that your internet connection is on, things like that. And if you focus on those things, your emotions won't get the best of you. Tip number 5, if you're really having problems with your emotions, just reduce your size to what I call the sleeping point. It's the point where you can sleep overnight with not having to wake up in the middle of the night worried about your positions. If you find that happening, you're probably trading with too big of a size and you should just reduce it. Tip number 6 is to desensitize yourself. One trick I used to do is to go to a local casino and just start playing video poker with quarters. And the first hour or so, I'd kind of be nervous. Oh, I'm up money, I'm down money. But after a while, you kind of get desensitized to it. So if you do the same thing, that'll help reduce your emotions when you're trading with real money. You become desensitized to the amounts of money involved. That's a great tip. And tip number 7, if none of the prior 6 tips work, just walk away completely. No one said you had to trade, and if it's screwing up with your emotions, if it's affecting your relationships and that type of thing, just walk away. Or put your money long term in some stocks or stock funds and just walk away. That's a legitimate way to handle your emotions in trading. So, I hope you understand that trading does have emotions. If you use my tips though, at least you can minimize the emotions you have while algo trading. You can never eliminate them, but you can at least beat them down a little bit. Well, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and maybe you have another idea for how to reduce emotions. I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Please leave a comment. If you like this video and you like some of my other videos, please remember to subscribe. Then you'll be notified when new videos come out. So thanks for watching. I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and don't let emotions get the best of you with your algo trading. See ya.